Whoa, whoa! I'm feeling good! I don't know why. Just kidding. I know exactly what. Oh my god! I almost didn't stop. Because I talked to my family yesterday. My cousin from Mexico came. And my family got from California here. So I went to go see them. And then everybody was calling me to the one because I didn't go with them. My grandma, my aunt, Oma, uncle, other grandma, cousins, more cousins, my tias. And, you know, I'm feeling like shit over here. Feeling like I'm a bad child because I abandoned my family, and these fuckers feel proud of me. They were all telling me, like, I'm so proud of you, and you're doing great, and just, you know, go back to school, and just don't be anything stupid with boys, and it's gonna be great. I was like, thank you, guys. And that's the first person I was like, okay. Then my grandma, my uncle, my other grandma, proud of me. Because I moved out. And I'm doing men for me. And it's proud. And my mom was just like, why don't you come back to your mom? I'm not even, like, I'm not getting kicked out. I don't want to live there no more. It's different. Fuck the bomb! I just come back and then she told me to go away. Like, Mom, we're gonna get the job here. We're gonna get a woman. Today I woke up and was like, I was too sad to get drunk. I called her from the beginning. I was like, you're gonna buy me a beer. So I gotta have money. I was like, no, I'm paying. I was like, oh, okay. And then she's like, where's the alcohol? Because I bought fucking car. I was like, I'm too sad to get drunk. She's like, the fuck with that? Let's go! I got out my car and we went to get beer. We got the biggest cans open in my life. And like, this Caguama, the Corona. I've never tried Corona before. Techies, and I bought 2 large Layla beers, or 2 Coronas. Today she's like, can I borrow $20? Like, no, fuck you, why are you fucking killing me? You don't see the piece of guy stalking her. Feeling good. I got my bills, I put $9 in gas, I have $0 in my pocket. I just realized that I'm being able to see at the bank. I've been seeing how much I have $0 in gas. Three more days and then I can go. I'm gonna buy ice cream today. All of these people are proud of me. I'm not. Fuck you. I'm not. I haven't appreciated that. I know they're proud of everything. There's a compliment. I saw my boss. Where am I gonna live? And then I was like, it's okay, we'll figure something out. He's like, why are you so upset that you're gonna live where your boss is? Because my dad will see it. He's like, fuck your dad, you're alone, you live alone. You're surviving by yourself, take the damn champion, take the game, and I'm not taking the game. This is why I'm having a good day today. I'm gonna go buy ice cream. I bought good food yesterday. Good frozen food yesterday. I got drunk. I'm feeling great. I got the pills. Ice cream at Macy's. Macy's is me. Bye! I'm gonna take the game tonight. That's what's gonna happen today. I'm gonna pretend I'm great. I'm gonna assume I'm doing a great job because I'm fucking am surviving. Okay, bye bye. More coffee.